There are lawyers who work to defend the status quo, to preserve the prerogatives of the powerful and privileged. And there are those who strive to make a positive difference in the lives of everyday citizens, to make sure their voices are heard, and to protect their rights. Attorneys Shireen Harrell and Harrell Nowak once worked for the corporate giants. But for more than 10 years now, they've been putting their skills and experience to work for the little guy.
In developing the practice, we wanted to represent individuals who had no access to the court system. Our clients are individuals, many of them who have been victims of some type of negligence, medical malpractice, slip and falls, car accidents, who need legal redress, who need their rights enforced against somebody who harmed them.
And we wanted to be able to work on the side of everyday people and working people to set up a firm where they could turn to a lawyer that they knew and trusted to help them through the process.
Harrell Nowak brings several advantages to the table. One, we have over 30 years or close to 30 years experience between the two of us. We've handled lots of different types of cases in both the state and federal courts in Louisiana. We are aggressive in representing our clients. We want to get justice for them.
Since opening their practice, Harrell and Nowak have achieved an outstanding success rate in matters ranging from individual injuries to major environmental cases affecting entire neighborhoods.
A woman called us after talking with several other lawyers and scientists and said, listen, I have a sludge in my backyard. And we were able to work with her and determine what was actually going on. We, with this woman, were able to set up a case for 4,000 people to where we were able to achieve a result, a very large settlement for the neighborhood and those 4,000 people who had really been brushed off by everyone before we got involved.
The team is especially strong in the area of medical malpractice, thanks to Shireen's earlier work as a registered nurse.
As a registered nurse and an attorney, I was in the healthcare system for almost 20 years before I became a lawyer. And that gives me decided advantage in understanding what happens in the healthcare field and being able to read medical records and understand the terminology. And so we are able to quickly get up to speed and to handle these types of cases.
Legal proceedings can be quite complex and intimidating. Shireen and Harrell understand this.
Most people don't file lawsuits and don't want to file lawsuits. So it's a last resort for them to file a lawsuit. So we work hard to explain the steps to them. We prepare them very well for anything that they have to participate in. And we are personally involved with their case all the way along.
We really try and minimize the stress because we know it's a complex situation. We know it's a bit scary. So what we do is we try and act as the buffer for our clients. And we handle the legal side. We let them take care of their injuries, let them go about their daily lives.
If you've been harmed through someone else's carelessness, negligence, or incompetence, now is the time to reach out to these caring, compassionate attorneys.
Harrell Nowak brings several advantages to the table. One, we have over 30 years or close to 30 years experience between the two of us. We've handled lots of different types of cases in both the state and federal courts in Louisiana. We are aggressive in representing our clients. We want to get justice for them and get them what it is that they're after. We do not collect a fee unless our clients receive damages, so there's no financial risk to our client for selecting us. And we have experience with experts who will help us win our cases.
And so we will provide guidance and we'll provide great strength in a time where someone is vulnerable and probably feels very vulnerable, and we're there every step of the way.
To learn more, we invite you to view the other videos and explore the pages on this website. Then, make the call to Harrell and Nowak. The consultation will cost you nothing, but it could mean everything.